Welcome back to another video, and if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing as I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content. Today, I have a very special video for you because Native Instruments Maschine 3 has finally arrived, and I'm excited to give you the first look. Before I even get into today's video, I want to thank the team over at Native Instruments for granting me this opportunity to show you firsthand what Maschine 3 is all about. For those of you that might be new to Maschine, I want you to understand that Maschine 3 is software. If you would like to take full advantage of the software, I will leave links down in the description box below where you can purchase hardware to go along with Maschine 3. Maschine has a workflow that enables me to get my musical ideas out as soon as possible. Whether I'm sampling or taking advantage of Native Instruments' huge library of sounds, Maschine has been my go-to for taking my ideas from start to finish. What exactly is new in Maschine 3? First, one of the biggest features is stem separation. We can now import any track and Maschine will identify bass, drums, vocals, and other elements. This is now possible with iZotope's RX technology. If you are not familiar with iZotope's RX, I want you to understand that they are a suite of audio restoration and enhancement tools used by professionals in a variety of fields such as music, film, TV, podcasts, and more. Let's take a moment to see stem separation in action. First, I'm going to drag and drop my audio on an open sound slot. Next, I will open up the sampler window by pressing S on my keyboard and then selecting the Edit tab. Now, I'm going to make a selection over the portion of the audio I want to apply stem separation to. I will preview it first by pressing the triangle located here. Once my selection is made, I will press truncate, so that way Maschine will remove the portion of the audio I don't need. This is a crucial step if you want to save processing time. Now, press the stems button located here. You might notice that Maschine automatically created a new group with the stems placed on individual sound slots. As you can see, this is powerful as it opens up a new door to sampling possibilities. Now that we have seen stem separation in action, let's briefly discuss community requested features, starting with bounce in place. This feature gives us the ability to render sounds, patterns, and ideas as audio, saving us users CPU power. Let's take a closer look at this feature. In this project, I'm using many different instruments and effects that are starting to tax my CPU. I will select the sound slot of the instrument I would like to bounce in place. On my mouse, I will right-click and choose Bounce. A dialog box will appear. Allow Bounce to Audio. You are about to convert the patterns in this sound slot into audio loops. This removes all MIDI events from both patterns and clips and replaces your existing plugin chain with the audio plugin. You can choose from the following: Do Not Allow, Allow Once, or Always Allow. In this case, I will select Allow Once and wait for my audio to bounce. Once finished, notice how the MIDI notes are removed and the sound slot is now replaced with the audio plugin. Let's explore more features. For the longest time, Maschine users could not understand why there was not any support for MP3s and other file formats. Well, starting today, that all changes. Users are now able to use various file formats on Maschine sound slots. I have even tested a voice memo created on my phone and used AirDrop to quickly get it into Maschine. This next feature is pretty cool. It's called Tempo per Scene. It allows us to create scenes with different tempos. Here's a quick look. I'm currently in ideas mode. I'll press the plus icon here to create another scene. I will double click and rename this one to B and the other one as A. I will now do a right click here near the top and a drop down menu will appear. Select Scene Tempo. You will notice a line appearing directly above the BPM, indicating that this feature is enabled for the scene. Now, let's select B. You will see the BPM at its default project BPM. Other features include basic control Mark III keyboard integration with transport controls with an on-keyboard display of Maschine modules and NKS maps. Now let's look at a few more features. While using Native Instruments hardware is nice, it's not always needed. Thanks to Maschine 3's new and improved mouse MIDI editing tools. These include split, join, erase, mute, MIDI note keyboard shortcuts, computer keyboard, audible MIDI note previews, and more. Let's see these tools in action. Here I have a guitar riff. I will press W on my keyboard to open the pattern editor in the keyboard view. We can now press Z, which is the keyboard shortcut for mute. In addition, we can also make a selection and click on one of the notes to mute those selected notes. Now, let's take a moment to acknowledge other editing tools and their keyboard shortcuts. Use E to draw. Use Y to join. Use X to split. Notice, to return back to select or the arrow, we can use that same keyboard shortcut as a toggle switch. Oh, and as a bonus, if you are on a numeric keyboard, press the asterisk key to enable record. As you can see, Maschine 3 has brought us powerful new features. If you are already using Maschine, you can update now. I will leave links and pricing in the description box below. If you are new to the Maschine, consider purchasing one with Maschine Central expansion. Maschine Central has everything you need to make your tracks in any genre. You will get sounds from Massive, Monarch, Prism, and over 700 drums and 114 multi-sampled contact instruments. This is also available by itself. Now, I will let you hear some sounds from Maschine Central to determine if this is right for you. Again, all links along with pricing will be down in the description box below. To support this channel and more videos like this, Please use the affiliate links below and leave a comment of what you are most excited about. Thank you and enjoy.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
I won't be gone too long.